So good morning, guys. Happy Monday. No
Morning.
school today.
Happy Monday, Mommy. Happy Tuesday. I can get some tea. Like the crunchy wheat.
Ayan, tapos na sila mag-almusal, guys. Nagle-lego lang sila. Nilabas ko ulit yung mga Legos. Look at Hattie's hair. Ang dilemma ko kay Harley ngayon, ayaw magpasuklay. Dapat tsempuhan mo siya sa ano niya. Sa kanyang mood. Magpasuklay. Harley, you wanna say good morning, guys? I don't have school today. It's public holiday today, guys. It's the... Anong tawag dito? Horse Day. Horse Day, no? Adelaide Cup. Everyone try dress up today. So, sarado ang mall, sarado ang groceries, wala ring school si Riker. Ang sahod kasi ang mahal. Ang pasahod ang mahal. O, Riker, give it to mama. Napaprostrate siya sa Lego niya. Hirap patanggalin. I don't know if we're probably gonna go out today because I didn't vlog yesterday and we just stayed at home all day. We had a lazy day. Naglaba ko ng isang load kahapon. We just watched movies. Hindi kami lumabas as in. Pati grocery ko nga kahapon, pinadeliver ko na lang. And yeah, today we're probably gonna go out. We just don't know where we're gonna go yet, hey? Probably go to a park or to see some animals. Right? Do you wanna go see some animals?
Yes.
There's one that have a donkey. Donkey. We're trying to look yesterday pala kung saan kami mag-staycation sa April. Kasi anniversary namin ni Ben. And we're trying to look where can we go. But we feel like we want to go to like a farmhouse. May nakita ako na super ganda niya kaso the children's not allowed, only couple. Na may siya, modern farmhouse siya, tapos ang dami niya rin, yan, dami niya animals, may alpacas siya, mayroon siyang goats and hairy. Yung hairy na cows, ano kasing tawag dun? May tawag dun sa hairy na cows, ang cute-cute. But yeah, I don't know why they don't allow, they probably don't want to wreck their, B&B. Good job, Raika.
Mom, it's your turn.
Again, your turn.
Okay. Ready, steady, go.
Holly's turn next. Good job.
Your turn next.
Here guys, I'm here sa taas kasi nagkiprint ako ng documents for my appointment tomorrow. Dahil i-report ko yung birth ni Riker sa Philippine Consulate para magka-PSA siya and we can get him a Philippine passport. So, Ben, dinala niya muna yung kids sa playground. 2, 3. So, yan, hindi pa tayo nakakalabas. Nakabihis na yung mga yun eh. Ayan, we're out for lunch na pala guys. Ito kami sa pub. So, we already ordered and we didn't know. May pa-mini golf sila dito. So, meron silang 9 free holes para sa kids. So, we'll try that after lunch. Tsaka ng kuko ko, no? Ito na lang natira eh. Nakakatawa yung pre-drink nila sa kids meal is Coke lang, walang apple juice. So, sabi ko kay Ben, sa'yo na lang. Ayun, dito na yung pagkain namin, guys. Kay Ben, Caesar salad with chicken. Ako, sliders. Uy, I miss the sliders in the Myers and, in the city, babe. Random mo.
Mommy.
And sa kids, chicken nuggets.
Mommy,
Ito kay ate.
look at that.
Thank you. Okay, you draw me there.
Mommy, Mom's got me, and I gotta draw Mommy and the baby and Daddy and Riker and I gotta
Thank you, baby.
Start with mommy.
It's yum, babe.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart.
growing up?
What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
I love you.
I just wanna love you, just wanna
Yes, baby.
hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
Actually,
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
So you taste the water now?
You set my world on fire.
I think sometimes when it's just us, she's happy like that. But when we're with friends or families out in a restaurant, I think she needs device. No? Do you notice? Yeah, I noticed that too. I think she's just she gets overstimulated.
But it depends on who we're out with.
I know.
She
Yeah.
wouldn't be like that around Penelope.
Yeah. Well, she can be with the families too. Sometimes she needs device. But we got her used to it. Like, you know, we got her used to it going out. Even though sometimes it's really hard. It's good to expose her, diba? At least it's not gonna be too hard, huh? Going out.
Some parents don't go out because of it.
I know. We know some of her in her class. They can't handle going out because gives them a lot of anxiety outside in a public place because they know their kid, huh? That wouldn't handle it.
Correct.
But Harley handles naman niya kasi nasanay na nga siya, right, baby? Tayo-tayo lang yan siya minsan ganyan. Kiss. Mwah. Is it yummy? Yeah, you're happy today. May pa-mini golf nga sila dito sa taas. Okay, go, Riker. Where's your ball? Yeah, you gotta hit it around till it goes near the hole.
You gotta hit it through the hole.
Whoa. No, that's like a hockey. He's playing it like a hockey.
What's this running? Running the hole.
That's like the Coco movie. Ate is here. I don't know if she knows how to play.
Figuring it out.
Oh, nearly, Riker. Ang cute. Ito beer naman siya. Ito desert.
It's the boring one.
Boring.
It's boring.
Oh, si Riker nasa number 5 hole na. Si ate lumipat na sa number 2 sa wakas. Nandun siya sa 2.
Mommy,
You got it?
Mommy, I can't do it. What's one in there?
You can do it. Just try it again. Oh, oy. Oh, kaya pa ba? Oh, oink. Ay, ang cute naman nito, oh. It's a New York City. Dito siya mag-start. Oh. Si Harley nasa number 8 na nag-jump na siya.
Oh, good shot. Again.
I wanna see the pyramids. Na-
Whoa.
Good job. Okay, you gotta get the boat through the taxis. Ooh. Did it? Nearly. Harley likes it in the pyramids. Yes. That's number 8. What's 7, Daddy? Is that 7? 8. Yeah, that's 8 na. Oh, Harley got it in. Well done, Harley. Yay. She's up to 9.
Mommy, I got it in.
You got it in?
Yes.
Well done.
I
Number 9.
Number 9, what's this?
Oh, Bora Bora. Oh, Mommy wants to go to Bora Bora.
What's that in the ocean?
Oh, you start on the black. Ayaw talaga mag-start. Tapos sa si Riker kasi napasok niya na yung ano niya, ball niya sa 9 hole. Si ate na lang. Go, Hallie! Let's go, you guys. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Lamig kanina umaga. Pa-autumn na kasi. So, naglamig na yung umaga na naman yan. Hey? You all good, Baba? You can do it. Siya na pala nagsiseatbelt sarili niya din. Yung isa na lang ng seatbelt. Oh, thank you. Well done, Holly. Good job. Okay, let's go. 8:49. And dadiretso pala ako sa aking appointment mamaya. Ben's gonna come, so I'll meet him there. And hindi na yan uuwi mamaya kasi nanonood yun ng basketball. Hindi na kami sasama, ano? Lapit na ako sa city, you guys. Nadrop ko na ang kids. Gusto kong bumili ng robot vacuum. Robo vacuum kasi at least nalilinis everyday yung mga crumbs ng kids, no? So, tingin-tingin tayo. Kasi although we get cleaners once a week, nag-vacuum pa rin ako everyday kasi ang daming crumbs ng kids, diba? Alam niyo yun pag kumakain sila. Buti nga dito walang langgam. Sa atin nga konting crumbs lang, nandyan na yung langgam. Dito wala naman. Ba? Ano yan? And mop din kasi pag kumakain sila ng icy po, it goes on the floor, it gets sticky. So, ayan, dito na pala tayo sa JB. Ito yung mga Robovac nila. Ito yung Dream. Oh, see? Mahal niya pa. Pero yung gusto ko nga yung ano X50 Ultra. Ito L30 Ultra S. Pero ano na rin naman na to, what do you call that? Nagmamap and nagba-vacuum. Tapos, siya na rin naglilinis sarili niya. Diba? Ganyan pala siya kalaki. Ayan, lakad na tayo sa Philippine Consulate, guys. Bebe. Bahay na pala kami, guys. Nakaligo na tong dalawa. Nakapag-merienda na rin sila. What country is that, baby? Show them the Philippines. Where's the Philippines? Where's the Philippines there?
Philippines.
Very
This is the
good.
flag of
First, Japan.
Japan.
Very good. What about Australia?
Australia. This is the flag of Australia.
And do you know South Korea? Korea?
Is it the orange one?
No, that's
This is
China.
the flag of China.
Where's America?
America's. The United States of America. This is the
well
flag
done,
of
baby.
the United States of the Pacific Ocean.
Ayan, gabi na pala guys. And si Ben nandito na nga sa basketball, no? So, panoorin namin sa TV. Hanapin natin nasan si Daddy. Pero championship na kasi. Dalawa nandun naglalaro ng basketball. Tingnan niyo si Riker, guys. Laro siya ng laro ng basketball. He really loves basketball. Ano pala to, Melbourne pala, guys. Melbourne Phoenix. Go, Sixers! Oh my God. Hopefully we win. Ayun si Ben, you guys. Ayun. Can you see him? Ang labo nga lang. Andun siya. Ayun siya. There. Talaga naman. Walang kapaguran talaga tong anak kong yan, no? May pakanta-kanta pa siya. What are you singing? Okay. Go, Rika.
Come on.
Good bouncing na, baby. Ooh. Si ate nandun.
Mommy, stop.
Baka may tinitingnan na naman na ants yan dyan. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. 3-point shot. Can you do a 3-point shot? Ooh, that's a good shot, baby. So proud of you.
2 shots.
Good job. So good. Sige, naglaro na lang sila ng Jenga. Ay, Diyos ko na ano pa. Nag-draw pa, oh. That's a big tower, Riker.
It's like the tallest.
It's the tallest tower. Ayan, si Madam na papuzzle na. Oh, this one sa Jenga.
Play a game.
Okay.
Mommy will play a game. Mommy will.
Si Riker parang maglaro ng Jenga.
Hi. Mommy's got a phone.
No, it's not. Sige. Slowly. Well done. And then you're gonna line up like this way, like that. Copy mama.
Now it's your turn.
Now it's my turn.
Your turn, Mommy.
Okay, wait.
Hey. Hi.
Ay ka pa dyan.
It's my turn, Mommy.
Okay, your turn.
Which one? This one.
No, not that one. Oh, is it?
No. It's like me.
Yes. Well done, Bob. Very good. Nearly fell.
And Mickey.
Oh, no, the other way pa. Ay, that's right. Sorry, baby.
Yay.
Kamusta naman?
It's your turn, Mommy.
Okay, my turn. Wait. Ay, madaya siya. Madaya naman tayo. Are we winning? We're winning, guys.
My turn.
Ano ba yan? It's gonna fall. Ah, I knew it. You lose. Sorry, ate. Si ate, oh, yan pala nabubuo niya. Kaya mo yan, ate. Ayan na, tumabi na kay ate ang panggulo. Hindi na yan matapos ni ate. Ang dami kasing pieces. Ilan ba yan? 96. Pero nabuo niya na yan before. Kapag ano, focus talaga siya.